the girl in back. If I get them for my yard, Charlie, they do not too big. You they watch very close, she did Gialanta. But then when she started work sharp.
I suppose you know.
Charlie, if I get them one-on-one when nobody comes, she go scream, oh my God. Hey, you're back and light to my bobo. What did they do me, I don't know. Why you send me a go? Cause I think you the carry girl, you bobo. You're back and light to my bobo. What did they do me, I don't know. Why you send me a go? Cause I think you the carry girl, you bobo. You see the girl in back. If I get them for my yard, Charlie, they do not too big. You they watch very close, she did Gialanta. But then when she started work sharp. I said pump up, you know. Charlie, if I get them one-on-one when nobody comes, she go scream, oh my God. Okay, no P, Charlie, if so she be. She dey speak Spanish here and I be. But for some quan, baby, take it easy. Me say me de bema woo. I be your lamide. Jelly for no say your body. Make you follow me, you go fi make me your daddy. She no be so notice if you bring your bodies. Make we chill small, so pressure for the boy. Then make you start the talk, say see the girl in back. If I get them for my yard, Charlie, they do not too big. You they watch very close, she did Gialanta. But then when she started work sharp. I say pump up, you know. Charlie, if I get them one-on-one when nobody comes, she go scream, oh my God.
Boys bad though, you know say the pump lie or no.
What did they?
I want the type to power. Any events be I go be if this song they play.
Then they know how.
He reach that place, they know how that the boys are there. Alright, so guys, we're live on Facebook. DopeNation is in the building. You can join us live on Facebook. Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. And check them out. Yes. DopeNation, yo. Charlie, Mudir special power. DopeNation. Now, but who brought about that name?
DopeNation. My twist. Yeah, he was like, Charlie, you the way we produce people, who could like bring something and do something together, you know. And then everybody then was like, Charlie, your rap be dope, your beats them dope. So and we always work with like squad.
So
we're like, okay, make we name them DopeNation. So you know, we just like squad day back, you know.
Okay, but now how is it like, you know, live like DopeNation? You know, campus live then, like real life now.
Life.
Yeah, how is it? More can't share me. Is any moment to say?
They pop.
Right now they grow for inside. They survive. Because after school they be survival. After school.
So then times where you guys did school like campus things near they don't then you know so course alongside near they know. And now that Charlie real life, like it
real life
inside. So how they see the difference? How they?
The transition there in some way. But then at least we finished school like 4 years ago. So since we fall in place and how things for go. You know, like doing music in school. You go no okay, this spot for here where they on campus, you will give the DJ. But now it be brother. Now there you for go Achimota, Dansuman, Osu, Jamestown, come down. It big. So like with time no they get accumulated with time they go on.
You go be.
I'm gonna beat
This song. It's DopeNation.
It's DopeNation. Alright, this be the new time where you drop for town. You started up some girl, now she go talk. Me a BB2 from DopeNation. I guess 6 digits for my bank account. She can be my boy, you feel best L. I did rap, baby, I did sing well. We then twist mistakenly chop the same girl. They know she go to Charlie, wait the I know they see anybody but one chick. I know they beef anybody but that chick. Kill like everybody way back a bit. She they do long, they see body like selfie stick. See what see this girl, just make her chalk it. She they want me body like one sin. Bokole go no in home and I slot it. Give them the kai make she they like my thing. Yeah, this be the new song, they mash up the club. They make the boys all the jump. This be the new song, they mash up the club. They make the girls all turn up. Cause you know that baby that be the way. I they like My baby that be the way. I dey like it. Even if my confirm flop, it be cool. But my confirm drop, it be time. It be fresh girls know we dey move. It be the light skin song we dey like. So my baby girl that be the way. I dey like Amagani so say. Take a diet if your puppy know day. You go phone like you be rose. For the hood everybody know me. Me then that's why they pick one trust key. Even camp on self one selfie. I know say you go shock, but then this one low key.
Charlie, no, but the way you guys they take your rap like so cool, like easy be. I said Charlie, pressure be a new CD. Charlie, but if we know Zanku, Charlie, yeah, come on. So maybe Zanku small, maybe I need a bon come on.
Enemies see they no be God, they want see my downfall, but the boy them know the flop. Me across my hands I chop. Zanku, 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 Zanku. Charlie, check. Enemies see they no be God, they want see my downfall, but the boy them know the flop. Me across my hands I chop. Zanku, 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 yeah. You see the hater no be meda God. Elementary, we be the feather cause. We them boys, we they bring the old school to the 21st century, but we no be one abroad. Yeah, what you they do for me, I never know. If one door close, open another door. You know the mind say a ban chimpwa, you be deep, me walk on tombre. Mom to me and me foko. I know they see your jealousy, cause I did by the Almighty. Mom to me and me foko. Enemies see they no be God, they want see my downfall, but the boy them know the flop. Me across my hands I chop. Zanku, 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 Zanku. The enemies won't try figure my steps, even as I walk through the valley of death. Time no day from a Casio boy. Me as a day I know they watch you said. If somebody hates you for left farm, Holy Ghost fire we go arrest them. She could try me for no say. Charlie what it was a free kick before Beckham.
And that's Zanku. What's me yummy Foko? Hey, Charlie. All right. So, guys, I feel Akwaba. Now, what to say?
Boko, you're good.
All right. Now, I hear say you guys are new, out with some new joints. Be and Charlie baby, Fabiana na make us say, "Musa say more party, be more gym when he be." What's he now? I'm taking it easy when I saw chilling here too much. Charlie, tell me about it.
Yeah, so the new one is Thank God featuring Ofie Kwanso, Charlie, the king of the West. Yeah, man. He came out fresh on this one. He rap Ankasa like
really. Okay. So you share Thank God. I mean, Eban saying how come Thank God?
Yeah, DopeNation has been like in this industry in our journey. You know, we see him like say, oh Charlie, for all the things that we have been through, God has been good to us. Yeah. So I think it's about time, like we thank Him. So yeah, that hence the name, the title, Thank God.
Oh wow! You know, just a more say baby, you know, ya many more DT, some of them and I'm there no party. Just a more there are there to cry no cry no today. Hey Charlie,
we take them to the church. We take the party to the church.
You know they see that thing. Yeah, now, okay, so with Kofi, Ebani saying and. Not with any other artist, but you decided to put Ofie Kwanso on this one.
Ofie Kwanso there, we've known him for a very long time. Yeah, like 20 years.
Hey,
that
one, funny enough, he has not changed. Like,
personality. No, that guy, even if he dropped 100 years, he will still be like that.
And then we felt, it's just the right time. You know, to thank God, our journey through Takra Day, coming to Accra, schooling, and all that, our mom. So it just felt right to add Ofie Kwanso to the picture. So.
Wow. So how was it like working with Ofie on this one?
Crazy. You know, we sent the song out, and then in few hours then send the verse back.
Sharp.
Really?
Yeah, then we did jam like, hey, Charlie, yo, Kenyatta he's one real artist. Like, he's one real artist. Like Ghanaians should hold very tight, cause you know, in terms of lyricism and then how he deformulates in songs. Yeah, so yeah, Charlie, big ups to Kenyatta.
Wow. Charlie, the thank God need a bit team there, but many more idea. Me be some questions. Be maybe a best thing. Be like started with links. I mean, it was a cool deal. Like a lot of people were happy. More fans now were happy for you guys now. You know, with that, connection there. And I mean, it was a good move. I'm gonna fork one someone there. I feel you Charlie, you guys
well, DopeNation happened to sign a deal with Links Entertainment. That was 2019, early 2019. And with Links on board, Charlie, a lot of good stuff. 3 solid songs, big songs in Ghana and beyond. We had interviews on BBC, name it, Sound City, best group of the year 2019 in Africa. So with Links Entertainment, it was the working with Links Entertainment was perfect. But you see, the thing is, we are on a journey, you know, and I'll use this opportunity to big up Links Entertainment. Is if not the best label in Ghana, and they can take an artist to that level. So we
because see, if you look at the that space, like, you know, it wasn't for that long, but a lot of things went into it. Like you guys just said, they put you here, they put you. So I mean, it was cool. Do you know what I mean? Say, no, I feel why there's something happening.
At all. We parted ways amicably.
Anyway, it was very dope. You know, apart from even like being signed on to Links Entertainment.
But saying, you can't say. Obroni can say one good 10 deserves another. And say, and you cool. Say them one who can say be a comma. I mean, he paved the way. And you know. How comes them where say okay now you be moving on?
With signing with Links Entertainment, it had to do with you know, there are different contracts, and then once the artist sign, you know, but DopeNation signed a year with Links Entertainment.
Okay, so it was actually a year contract.
Yes, it was a year.
Oh, okay.
I quite remember very well. We came here and you were like, how many years people sign? And all we said was, DopeNation is here to stay. You see, the reason is if like we talk say 1 year, you go talk say
1 year per day.
Why question and all that. But you see, the reason was to upgrade the brand to another level, then preach Afrobeats to the world, like outside Ghana and things. And then by far, Abi, you can testify. DopeNation is doing well. Like Links has been able to push us to like that step. You know, this one self will give you the opportunity to like pitch out to any artist in Ghana. Say like when Links calls on you to like work, like Charlie, you're doing a good job. Let's work together, do something, Charlie. You guys make give space. You bab like sign and then see what they go fit do for you. Then go fit do marvelous things, Charlie.
Fine, but let me just try and push you and say now that the contract has ended and you guys are on your own, you're doing your thing. If it should happen that Links don't want to work with you again and probably sign a much longer period contract with you than the first one, would you guys opt for it?
Well, we had the time to sit down and talk about that. We definitely had a chance to renew it.
Oh, okay.
But we decided to
move on
amicably.
Okay, so now that's money Links in view. Now, their label, is it more than a more and now signing with a different record label or what?
So before Links came into the picture, we already have our group where we sit and then we work, bring out the content, plan and all that. So Links just acted as the body that, you know, to open you to the corporate world and all the works and all that, and to put us on that level. But right now we are back to we handling ourselves. So right now with the new project and everything, it's just us.
It is just more.
Yeah, solid DopeNation.
Solid DopeNation.
Charlie. Okay, so already Mama Matia says a nation. So it's not about like the two of you, so the whole squad is there and cooking things and things. Maybe okay. All right. Okay, so thank God. The new one from DopeNation, which features Kofi Kinata and who said Echo.
It's me too, baby. Thank God I'm a winner. Hey. Thank God for the money. Hey. Thank God for the girlie. Oh, hey. Come with a chop on my money. Hey. Thank God for my mommy. Hey. As of the days I'm not hungry. Hey. Even if life makes some way, Mama they pray for me. What's the thing? Baba. For my life, for my life, for my life. As I pray for my daily man. We know the fear everywhere make dry, but man still day, still fresh, only fresh, man. Thank God for the who's this, no reply in the blue ticks. Man on go Charlie, but now I cruise in your dream car with a new check. You ride it when they may last stop. You know be fair if we no reach the bus stop. Fake smiles, we for take the mask off. We think we are free, but we still in handcuffs. Maybe they run, but then still we can't walk. Maybe they shout, but then still we can't talk. You claim you be gatekeeper, you get the key. God day, we go break the padlock. The enemy can't stop for life.
Mentasto, Cobin Quack and disaster. Afuna what we do for Barcelona, Bass, sell one the Picanto. Bankamaya status. What's the Nubian Kawa Wambaso? Babinda would turn will be Mama passing Takamu, come over Mercato. Buga, yeah, catch out when they in the Yoda. No, hustlers in the streets of food in our for the Kada, I feel the Buda, you take the Jubina. Border, and to Trasaco, Lupiaka, the neighbor. Nababa border. NCU can yell about fire, deliver.
Thank God I'm a winner. Thank God for the money. Hey. Thank God for the girlie. Oh, hey, come with no chop on my money. Hey. Thank God for my mommy. Hey. As I the days I'm not hungry. Hey. Even if life makes some way, Mama they pray for me. Hey, Baba.
That's why if you don't go fist and cry, that one there.
That's how you for jump inside.
As you keep the do the the rest go follow. Go see all they sing down. Charlie, nice song. So then times you people they produce beats, give people and things near there, and where you start to do your own thing there. So is it going to be like or like you looking up to working with other guys? Obinya beats be cool. That you guys want to jump on it or something? And I'm
we are open to anybody, everybody,
anyhow. We get songs safe way we no release way they with like beats producers like Willis Beats.
Oh, okay.
We already have one way they out with emoji. Nami.
Yeah.
We already go international. So like any producer out there you want to work with DopeNation, Charlie, send us DM. Let's do it, Charlie.
and most more you're willing say most be some dope one be some other artists in
of course.
We still do. We recently had Family Nothing I Get, which is his breakthrough song. His first breakthrough song too. Sugar. You know, we had Ebony's breakthrough song. Like almost all the people we work with, if them are breakthrough song.
Charlie.
So just if you come back, we give you breakthrough song. No, you see the thing is, you say Cassandra, but like it has been falling in place. So
yes. It happen. You know they see. Charlie, nice. So it's everywhere.
Yeah, man.
But if more fans per se get to know what's happening around DopeNation there, how do they go about it?
Yeah, man. Charlie, we be down to earth. Anybody will tell you about DopeNation, you see we know ourselves. Straight up conversation starts. You know, so like that is it. Like send DM. Hi, what's up, Charlie? You guys, your music. You know, anything where you the feel say for tell DopeNation, Charlie, link up. We go reply you. We go vibe. It's all a vibe. So,
okay, so what be the handles?
Maybe at GH DopeNation on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, anywhere at
GH
DopeNation.
DopeNation.
Yeah, man.
All right. That's cool. So it's a nice one, Charlie. You guys push it.
Yeah, man.
And then we would like to use this opportunity. Adom, Charlie.
Yeah, man.
Really supportive from day one. Really supportive
for you guys.
Look at it. Fast forward. You know, Justice is cause of your show. You know, we have been pitched to BBC for the interview.
Wow.
They actually heard this show. And then we're like, oh, who are those who are producers? And like, we'd like to interview. So Charlie, big ups yourself too. Thank you.
Wow. That's nice. That's cool. Charlie. That's nice. Charlie, you guys make you keep to what you do now. I mean, we go get there.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
I believe in the process. Then we go get there, Charlie. So, guys, thanks so much for passing through. So, this one there, I mean, if you want our song, so make you know.
I understand.
I mean, good day, Charlie.
Thank God.
For the who's this? No reply in the boutiques. Man on board, Charlie, but now at the cruise in your dream car with a new chick.
So this be the song go. As we take tango, then we take party as well. You see that thing?
We are still in handcuffs. Maybe they run, but then still we can't walk. Maybe they shout, but then still we can't talk. You claim you be gatekeeper, you get the key. God day, we go break the padlock. The enemy can't stop for life.
Mamu you paya mentasto could be quite a day and a disaster. Afuna what you do from Basana me a bass. Someone the pecan to Bantama yell start what's the Nubian Kawa one passo. Babinga will turn will be mama passing that come over Maltaco. Buga. Yeah, catch someone the in the young no hustlers in the street if you now for the kada. I feel the Buga get 10 border. Enter Trasaco, you piake in the neighbor. My baba border. NTUK na yellow boy, Jivista, deliver.